Hey everyone, welcome back to Loot Code. Today we will solve a problem to find the power of a given number using recursion. Okay, let's get into it. Hash include stdio.h. First I will write a function of type int and I'll call it power of, and the receiving parameters are int base and int exponent. Okay. First I'll write the base condition, which is if exponent is equal to 0, then return 1. We know that if we know anything power 0 is 1, right? That's basic math. And next we'll go to the else statement. Let me mention that this is the base condition. Okay, else return base times of, now here I will call the function power of base comma exponent minus 1. Let's understand this piece of code with a small example. Say we are trying to find 2 power 2, which is 2 squared. Okay, so the parameters will be, the base will be 2 and the exponent will also be 2. Now you can follow my cursor, so I'll show where we are in the code. Okay, so now we are here, int base, which is 2 comma 2. Now we'll enter the function if exponent is 0. Is exponent 0? No, exponent is 2. Okay, so we'll go to the else condition. Here we will return base into power of base comma exponent minus 1. Here we are calling the power of function again. So what will be the parameters here? 2 comma 2 minus 1, which is 1. So when I call this function, let's go back to the function. Now the parameters are 2 comma 1. Is the exponent 0? No, exponent is 1. So we'll come to the else statement. Return base into power of 2 comma 1 minus 1 is 0 now. Okay, we are calling the function again. We'll go back to power of. Now the parameters are 2 comma 0. Is exponent 0? Exponent is 0. So we will return 1. But to where will we return this 1 to? From where we had called the function. Here we had called power of 2 comma 0. So we'll return 1 here. Base was 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So that will get returned to this place itself, because we had called 2 comma 1 from here, right? So it will return to this place, and we will multiply 2 into 2, which is 4, and then that 4 will get returned to the main function which I am about to write. I highly suggest you to write down the stack, do a dry run of the code, which I've already explained how to do in the previous video, which I'll paste the link in the description. Okay, int main, let's declare int base will be b and exponent will be e. Okay, printf enter the base and exponent, scanf percentile d ampersand b comma ampersand e. All right, now int result is equal to power of b comma e. Printf percentile d power of percentile d is percentile d. So here we'll write b comma e comma result, and return 0. Let me save and run the code. Enter base and exponent. Let's start with 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 2 power of 2 is 4. Let me run the code again. 10 and 2. 10 power of 2 is 100. Let's try 3 and 3. 3 power of 3 is 27. So the code works.